Today we will start a new chapter, that is acids, bases and salt. In your daily life, you are getting many substances. Even I can say that each and every material we are using, that is made up by substances. So these all substances are categorized as acids, bases and salts. First, introduction of acids and bases I am giving. Few substances you are testing in your daily life which are sour in nature. For example, orange, lemon, all are sour tasting substances. In whole list, along with orange, lemon, you can add tamarind, vinegar. All are sour tasting food. It means citrus foods. These all, even आंवला, जिसको आप आंवला कहते हो, these all are contain some type of acid. That's why they are sour in nature. So very first definition of acid is sour tasting substances are known as acids. The example of sour tasting substances are lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, curd, tamarind. These all are sour tasting substances. It means these all are examples of acids. The next category of the substances, that is bases. These are soapy in touch. मानिए आप हाथ में लोगे तो क्या होगा, चिकना लगेगा. It means soap solution is also basic in nature, or soap solution is base. So it is soapy in touch and bitter in taste. Mecha soda available at your home, that is known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. If you will taste that substance, it will be bitter in taste. And if you will touch the substance, it is just like slippery in nature. So it is one of the basic substances. In your list, some more substances may be bases. Some more example of acids like unripened mango as well as unripened guava. These all contain some acid. Instead of these all substances, some substances are neither acidic nor basic. They are neutral substances. If you will talk about sugar solution or common salt solution, then they will be neutral in nature. So we have categorized substances as acids and bases, and some are neither acidic nor basic. They are neutral substances. Only tongue testing is not a criteria to classify the substance in acids and bases. We have to do some chemical test or laboratory test for detecting acids and bases. The substance which can be used to detect substance, whether substance is acidic or basic in nature, that is known as indicator. In short, indicator are the substances which will tell us by means of chemical test that substance is acidic or basic. There are so many types of indicator. First classification, that is natural indicators. Indicators which indicate that substances are acidic or basic. That is natural. Then synthetic. In the natural indicators, litmus are example. Then China rose, tamarind, turmeric, माने हल्दी, चाइना रोज माने गुड़हल का फूल और हिबिस्कस. Okay, so liquid China rose and turmeric are the good example of the natural indicator. Instead of this, red cabbage is also indicator. Synthetic indicators, some examples are phenolphthalein, methyl orange, parared, methyl red, many more examples in the synthetic indicator. So, what will be the color changes by means of litmus, China rose, turmeric? You will see now. And what are the color changes when we will use phenolphthalein or some other synthetic indicator? We will see now. Good morning, girls. Today we are performing activity 5.1 of your book. I have taken lemon and I have squeezed lemon juice in the test tube. You are observing lemon juice in the test tube. Now I will add red litmus paper in the acid. What you are observing? There is no change in the red litmus paper. Now I will take blue litmus paper, and blue litmus paper is touched to acid. What happened? Blue litmus paper turned in red color. So it indicates, or we learn through this activity, that all acids turn blue litmus paper to red and there will be no change towards the red litmus paper. Thank you. Now again we have taken a little bit base. It may be sodium hydroxide, it may be calcium hydroxide. I have taken a less amount of calcium hydroxide. I am taking blue litmus paper. What will happen? With base there is no change in blue litmus paper. Now I am taking red litmus paper. You are observing in the test tube that red litmus paper turn to blue. It means all the bases will turn red litmus paper to blue and there will be no change towards the blue litmus paper. In this test tube, China rose extract I have taken. I have boiled a small amount of China rose in water and then the rest of the part of water I have taken. A small part of China rose extract I am taking in the test tube. Now, towards this China rose, I am adding lemon juice, which is acidic in nature. Wait and watch what will happen. Amazing, color is turning. Yes or no? Previous color and now the color. It means China rose act as indicator. It turns all the acids in red color. When China rose is added to acid, it will turn in red color. Have you observed red color? Yes. Thank you. I have taken China rose extract and in this test tube I have taken water solution of baking soda, यानी मीठा सोडा. It is basic in nature, थोड़ा बहुत basic होता है. Let us see what will be the color changes. I am adding China rose. You will see that a little bit color changes. Yes, amazing. After shaking, we are having greenish solution. It means China rose is an indicator. It will turn bases in green color and it will turn acids in pink color.